Hi everyone, Elisa with Jots Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made the top to a dog crate that my dad made for me and my puppy, Lucy May. Just due to lack of time on my part as I prepare my house for a puppy, this video will not have a voiceover explaining everything. But I do want to point out that after pouring the initial layer, I had some random divots in the resin, and I don't know why. There must have been some weird oil or a contaminant in the resin or the paint that I used. I'm not sure. So before I poured the top layer, I just prepped it as if I had used silicone oil in the resin. I did this by cleaning with isopropyl alcohol and then spraying it with polyurethane. I think it turned out great. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I will have all the products I used listed in the description, as well as discount codes. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to answer them. Also, please follow Lucy May's Instagram page @LucyMayBlue and you'll get to watch her grow up. I'll also have a link in the description for that, and I hope to get her YouTube channel going soon. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.